Good morning, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the preparation of amines. There are different methods by which we can prepare amines, but in this video lecture, I am going to discuss the preparation of amines from nitro compounds or by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So first is from nitro compounds, means how we can prepare amines from your nitro compounds. Nitro compounds on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of finally divided nickel, palladium or platinum. The reduction may be carried out. The reduction may be carried out by using 10NHCl or by iron and HCl. Actually, this method is used for the preparation of your aromatic amine, that is aniline. Because aromatic nitro compound, they are more common in comparison to the aliphatic nitro compounds. So for example, if we use, this is your nitrobenzene. So this nitrobenzene on reduction with your iron and HCl or by tin and HCl or by catalytic reduction by using nickel, palladium or platinum as catalyst, then this nitro group is reduced to your amino group and the product is your aniline. Now similarly, we may use in this case for example, if we have nitrobenzene, we may use hydrogen in the presence of palladium as catalyst. Then again your aniline will form. So this is your aniline. So this is one of the methods by which nitro compound can be converted to amino compounds. Now if in place of aromatic nitro compound, if we have aliphatic nitro compounds such as your nitromethane or nitroethane, suppose C2H5NO2, this is your nitroethane, then this nitroethane will be converted to your ethanamine by the same method. Now the next preparation of The next preparation of amine is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So next is by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Now, how we can prepare amines from alkyl halide? So it is a nucleophilic substitution. I have already discussed during the class of your alkyl halide. तो देखिए भाई, अल्काइल हैलाइड से आप कैसे अमीन बनाओगे? By this process we get mixture of amines. What does it mean? ये मिक्सचर ऑफ अमीन कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ? ये मिक्सचर ऑफ अमीन कहने का ये मतलब हुआ कि इससे जब आप अमीन बनाओगे तो प्राइमरी अमीन भी बनेगा, सेकेंडरी अमीन भी बनेगा, टर्शियरी अमीन भी बनेगा, एंड एट लास्ट वी आर गेटिंग क्वैटरनरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट. क्या कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? हाउ? For example, if we have an alkyl halide, say RX, this is your alkyl halide. Now, when this alkyl halide reacts with your ammonia, say this is your ammonia, ये देखिए NH3 है. Now this HX will be removed, hydrogen halide. And then the product form is your RNH2. This RNH2 is your primary amine. तो ये जो एग्जाम्पल था आपको न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन का, जो प्राइमरी अमीन बना, इट फर्दर एक्ट्स एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल. ये फिर से आपको न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करेगा. देन अगेन दिस इज योर अल्काइल हैलाइड and this is your primary amine. देखिए primary amine, then it will react, again it will give you HX, and then the amine form is your 2-degree amine, और या आप इसको कह सकते हो secondary amine. Now this amine is your secondary amine. Now what happens? This secondary amine will further react with your alkyl halide. ये secondary amine है. It will further react with your alkyl halide to give HX. And here the product form is your tertiary amine, or you can say 3-degree amine. तो देखिए प्राइमरी अमीन आपको बन गया, सेकेंडरी अमीन बन गया, और आपको टर्शियरी अमीन बन गया. नाउ again we have this tertiary amine, that is R3N. Further it combined with your alkyl halide to form R4N plus X minus. This is called your quaternary ammonium halide. Quaternary ammonium salt. Here it is halogen, so it is called your quaternary ammonium halide. अब सपोज करिए ये X अगर आपका क्लोरीन होता, and if this R is your methyl, then this HX is your HCl and this is your methylamine. Now this will be your dimethylamine, this will be your trimethylamine, and this will be your quaternary methyl ammonium salt. So in this way or by this method we can prepare mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now, to obtain better yield of primary amine, to get better yield of primary amine, ammonia should be taken in excess. To get better yield of primary amine, ammonia should be taken in excess. We have to use ammonia in excess. Now second, that we are using alkyl halide, which may be your alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. So you may write the order of reactivity, of different alkyl halide. It is of the order Ri, that is your iodoalkane, more reactive than your RBr, that is bromoalkane, more reactive than your RCl, that is your chloroalkane. तो मान लीजिए यदि आप कोई एक अमीन ले लीजिए मिथाइल अमीन, और इससे अगर मिथाइल आयोडाइड को रिएक्ट कराइए, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड को रिएक्ट कराइए और मिथाइल क्लोराइड को रिएक्ट कराइए, तो मिथाइल आयोडाइड से रिएक्शन सबसे फास्ट होगा और मिथाइल क्लोराइड से स्लो. नाउ let us discuss a solved example of our NCERT textbook. हम लोगों की जो NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक है ना, उसका एक सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल आप देखिए. It is your example 30.1. Example 30.1. The question is, write chemical reaction, write chemical equation for the reaction of ethanolic ammonia with ethyl chloride. Means we have to consider the reaction between ammonia and ethyl chloride. Ethanolic ammonia का मतलब हुआ ammonia in the presence of ethyl alcohol. तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये इथेनॉलिक वर्ड कहाँ से आ गया. मीन्स इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि व्हाट विल बी द रिएक्शन बिटवीन इथाइल क्लोराइड एंड अमोनिया. सो सी दिस इज योर इथाइल क्लोराइड C2H5Cl एंड दिस इज योर अमोनिया. अमोनिया को मैंने ब्रेक करके लिख दिया HNH2, देन HCl विल बी रिमूव्ड and then the product is your C2H5NH2. This is called ethylamine or ethanamine. This ethanamine is your primary amine. Now further this ethanamine, that is C2H5NH2, this will again combine with your ethyl chloride, then ethyl chloride, again HCl will be removed, and then your product is C2H5 This is secondary amine. The name is N-ethyl ethanamine. It is your N-ethyl ethanamine. और तब फिर इसको फर्दर आप इथाइल क्लोराइड से रिएक्ट करा दीजिए. सो वी हैव फर्दर रिएक्शन. We have further reaction with this is C2H5 and again C2H5, this is H with your ethyl chloride. फिर देखिए यहां से HCl निकल गया और HCl निकलने के बाद your product is C2H5 whole 3N. Now this C2H5 whole 3N, I hope you can write the IUPAC name. It is N, NN diethyl ethanamine. So you can say this is the product. Further it may give your quaternary ammonium salt. But at least यहाँ तक भी आप लिख देंगे ना तो रिएक्शन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है. सेकेंड, एक और आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है. आई होप यू कैन इजीली राइट द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व इन योर एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay.